guys, welcome back to Pickers. Since I'm a best junior mechanic, today I'll be teaching the grasshopper, coaching the grasshopper what to do. She's going to be turning the wrench.
What are we doing today?
The oil change.
We're going to be doing an oil change on the pink 125cc Coolster ATV. What do we need to get this done, bud?
So first, you should jack up the quad, and then we use these for the front.
So we're going to jack it up just so it's easier to get underneath it. Go ahead, Jake, start jacking. Quad down just so we're touching, and I'm going to leave the floor jack under the front.
Can I do it?
We're good. It's there. So now,
Can I do it?
just going to leave a little pressure, so now we're holding. All right, Joe, you want a video and show her what to do under the quad?
Mm-hmm. But I don't want to go under the quad.
You're going to go under the quad.
But I want to follow me.
Well, let's make sure. Earthquake test! I think it's good.
That moved it.
I think we're good.
What if it falls on me?
Gianna, it's not going to fall. Look, it's not going anywhere. All right, dude, what do we need to do under the quad?
All right, so you want a socket set? Everybody say thanks to my dad's friend Jack. He got my first socket set. And
I think you should be saying thanks to Jack.
Thank you.
For getting you that awesome little socket
And
rail.
we'll be using a 17 millimeter socket wrench. And G, get on your goggles. We're gonna get under the quad and we're gonna drain the oil. So now we're just gonna get under the quad and drain her out. We need the drain plan.
I'll grab you the drain pan.
Yeah.
You guys both got your gloves and your safety gear on?
Yeah.
Okay, I got the drain pan right here. I'm gonna sneak this by you. Where do you want it? Right here?
Yeah.
You go under there so you can see what he's doing, because next time you're gonna do this on your own.
All right, G, you want help?
Can you break it loose for her, Joe?
Yeah, sure. Hold the camera right there. I want you to hold it a little bit more up right there.
Just break it loose and then let her do the rest.
It's too tight.
You want help?
Yeah.
This?
Yeah. Wait, hold on. Can I do that
Dirt.
for a second?
Okay, it's loose. Did that go on you, Joe?
Yeah, a little. Alright, G, it's loose.
Did that go in your mouth?
Yeah.
Nothing like the fresh taste of old dirt. Ugh. Is that funny, Jay?
Yeah, you think it's funny.
Because it didn't happen to you, Gianna would be screaming and crying right now.
Yes, you would.
JoJo's used to eating bugs, swallowing dirt.
Where? Right here? You're right there.
Where? Do I spin?
Yep. Yeah, just wrench it up.
Okay, Gianna, I'm going to tell you the same thing that I told JoJo when he did his oil change.
Can you put it right there?
Don't drop the oil plug. And I think JoJo says something like, I fully got it. And what happens?
Then I drop it.
It happens to everybody.
Come on, G, use two hands. Use two hands.
If it's loose enough, G, spin it out by hand.
Ready? You're going to help me out. You know what, G, hold the camera.
I can't. I want to do it.
G, I'm getting on the socket wrench for you.
She doesn't need it. If it's loose enough, she can do it by hand.
All right, G, wrench it out. You know what? Let me see if I... Yeah, G, pull it out. Do it by hand.
Get a video of her face when she's doing it, Joe. Let's see what she looks like as she's wrenching on there.
Ah.
There's that face.
That is disgusting.
Wait Wait till the oil comes out, G. Where is it? Right about here? Go ahead, pull it out quick and don't lose the drain plug. Go, 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 go.
Wait, hold on. Can I do it?
You got it? Yeah, let's see.
I think you're
Wait, do I
tightening it.
pull it now?
Yep. No, don't pull it yet.
Just keep unscrewing it. It's going to drop out once it's all the way loose, Jake. Let me see the camera. Got it?
Starting to come out.
Keep going, Jake.
Feel the oil?
Why can't you? Well, better off because it might splash in your eyes. Good. Look away when you're doing it. 10 years later.
I can smell the oil.
He's overdue for an oil change.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, that's right.
Oh, gee, let it drop.
Did she not drop the plug?
No.
What? First time doing your oil change and you didn't drop the plug?
Oh, I like it out.
What? JoJo dropped the plug last time. All right.
Can I get out?
I'll help you get out. Watch your head.
Yeah.
Okay, so what do we need to do? Let's not drop that oil plug in the dirt. Look at that oil coming. Okay, you're getting oil all over your pants, baby.
Oh no.
Mommy's gonna be so happy with Daddy. Look at you. All right.
So dirty.
It is dirty.
Yeah, we'll clean it up.
Okay, hold that.
Dirty.
Don't worry about it. That's why you got gloves on. Joe, just leave it there. We'll wipe it down with some rags. So we got this oil draining. We're gonna let it fully drain out. We'll reinstall that plug, right? And then we'll fill
We're
it.
going back under the quad.
To do what?
Put in back the plug.
That's right. Where's the plug? All right, Joseph is getting the drain plug. Gee, get back under there. Try not to get as dirty. That's all right. Little oil is drained out. We got 1 or 2 drips on the floor.
Now, Jake, flip it over. Like that. It's going to be a better sign. Can't tell which one.
You can't tell where that plug goes?
Right here. And G, always start it by hand.
Why do you want to start it by hand?
So you don't strip the bolt.
So you don't cross thread it. Because if you're using your socket wrench,
I need that man.
that's it. JoJo's going to get you set up, G. Don't
Okay.
righty tighty, bud.
Daddy, how fast was that going?
Pretty fast. Got it started, Joe?
You've ever chosen lost the boat?
You lost it? Which bolt?
Like the boat. He said he's squeezing it and then he didn't. He.
Alright, G.
Wait.
Is it started by hand?
Yep. You
Want
ready?
the wrench?
Here, let me help you out with that. I'm going to make your set.
She could go in under this side, Joe. Probably a little easier.
I just got dirt in my ear.
In your ear?
Yeah.
Better take a shower after
Okay,
this, boy.
here's how
Oh,
it's
we're
run.
going to go quadding now.
All right, go under there. Show her which bolt it is, Joe.
Wait, is it this one?
Let me see. Yeah, it's that one.
Wait. So I go this way?
With the wrench.
I'm not good at doing this.
Let me see that.
I have to do it with my hand. Wait, did you put the oil put? Oh yeah. You're still doing it.
It's pretty tight.
Ooh, good thing G's face wasn't under that. That would have hurt. All right, it's in.
Yeah, it's pretty tight.
All right, let's drop it down. And then we need to fill it up. G, get out from under the quad, baby.
Okay.
Perfect. I'm gonna make sure it's right there over the line.
Beautiful. Oil's nice and clean. Fresh oil change. Everybody's changed, ready to hit the trails. She's gonna start it up once JoJo gets that dipstick back in. Take it for a quick test drive around the property. I gotta check something on my quad, and then we're gonna go out and hit a nice little trail today. Yeah, G, start it up. Whose red gloves are these?
JoJo.
Okay. Gotta turn the key, babe. Take the brake off. Good. Put it in drive. Yep. Go again. I'll get you hitting the jump this time.